Stastny pokes it ahead. Landeskog hit the side of the net from a sharp angle. Puck bounces to the high slot area. Wilson flips across. Stollery with a long shot. That's easily steered aside by Backstrom. Scandella carries ahead. Cook works around a check at center ice and dumps it in. Fontaine's speed gets him there first. And Brodziak is stopped by Varlamov. Scandella shot. Save Varlamov. One of the best chances of the night for Minnesota. Kyle Brodziak stopped by the Avalanche goaltender. Shot by Niederreiter, deflects. Fontaine recovers. Tried to center. Granlund was not yet in the offensive zone as he was just coming off the bench. McKinnon fires. Saved by Backstrom. Around behind the net for Stastny. He's knocked down by Prosser. Pominville played it in behind his own goal. Puck comes right out front, and Backstrom had to make a pad save. Has to make another as Stollery whips one from the wall. O'Reilly centers. McLeod's redirect winds up wide. Mitchell has it there for Colorado. Mitchell fires, and it's gloved and held by Backstrom. Out front, and the Avalanche gain possession the other way. Talbot, now Landeskog scores. Great feed from Stastny to Landeskog, and Colorado converts on a 3-on-2 for a 1-0 lead.
And you see that just did not have enough numbers back, and they found enough passing plays and enough open players.
Can the Wild get a clear? No, Duchesne holds his own. Duchesne down low to McKinnon. McKinnon back to Duchesne. Duchesne to McKinnon in a circle. Suter and Mitchell trying to disrupt. Duchesne with a shot. Saved by Backstrom, and he covers with 5 seconds left in the two-man advantage. Final seconds of a Colorado power play. Mitchell with it. Plays it up high for Benoit. Back to Mitchell. Mitchell sends it down low. A shot, they score. It trickled through Backstrom. And just before the power play expired, just as it expires, Colorado has a 2-0 lead. Late in the second, Charlie Coyle to the Colorado line. Heatley back to Coyle. Scores!
You have the pressure on you, then you take it off, and then you have it back on again, but it's too late. Beautiful move, too, by Coyle. First goal for Coyle since December 17th at Vancouver.
Coyle just about found Heatley, and then he tries to jam it in. Scandella with a long shot. This line has been very good for Minnesota tonight. Centering pass. Coyle scores!
Good job by Prosser being aggressive down into the zone. The Wild have used their defense very well lately.
Niederreiter's pass deflected. Suter recovers for the Wild. To Granlund, who tips it into the Colorado zone. Sarich back to pick it up. Lost it to Pominville. He wheels. Saved by Varlamov.
Hitting the level and pushing past that barrier at every single level of his career.
What a career he had at Minnesota Duluth. Part of a national championship team. 164 career points. Wild have not spent nearly as much time in their own zone here in the third period as they did early tonight. Duchesne tries to center. Saved by Backstrom. And then Brodin helps out to sweep the puck back under the goaltender. It does come to Suter, but he had to back out of the zone. O'Reilly waits. Then plays to Duchesne. Back to O'Reilly. O'Reilly scores. Flips a backhander over the shoulder of Nicholas Backstrom. And the Avalanche are back in front 3-2.
Back. There's no reason for any openings, but this one, just a quick little feed. He beats his guy, and then what a backhander here over the shoulder of Nicholas Backstrom. And again, Duchesne is one of the ones who sets this up.
Heatley flips it ahead. Backstrom breaks for the bench. Minnesota net is empty. Just as Benoit emerges with the puck for Colorado, Talbot at the empty net scores, and Colorado has a 2-goal lead with 70 seconds left.